nagpre-pretend din na Makati yun. Kasi nga, kinakamot ko ang tsetse niya. Namasahe ko siya eh. Gusto din, magpakamot to. Kuturoy. Don't bite your butt, but no biting. How to bite me? How to do my tsetse one? Oh. Okay, wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Later first for you, okay? Later to you lah. I do tsetse first. Okay? Yeah. She doesn't want I do mini, guys. She know how to jealous ready. See? Okay. I do for you later now. Oh, ang baby ko. Wait lang na ko. Wait lang, baby na. I settle tsetse first because tsetse itchy. I think I cannot cook too. See the hen? Okay, thank you. Okay. You also? Wait lang. Okay, one hand. Okay? Okay, one hand for you. Diyos ko. Tick. Cannot like that. Tsetse pen. I love you, Mini. I love you, Mini Pot. Banana. Okay, I love you, Mickey. Nagje-jealous na yan. Gusto siya lang. Cannot jealous, anak. Both of you must do first one by one, okay? Okay. One by one. Okay, later for you now. He really don't wanna use. You see? Okay. I do mini tsetse first, kan? Ma, I love you, Mini. Ma. Jealous. Ma. Okay, I love you, Mickey. Ma. Okay. Goodbye. I love you. You, both of you. Okay. He say, I love you. Ang galing ko. Okay. You also. Okay. See now, his turn. Wait lang, Mini also, You later, okay? One hand also. See, one hand. See, one hand. Okay. Kati-kati pa rin. Itchy pa rin. Okay. One hand also to you. How to do? Oh my God. Jealous. Then jealous. The other one also. Oh my God. I cannot do two of you. I think it's not easy to two children, guys. Like I cannot make it. You see? Kasi pag ito lang malaki ang anuhin mo, magsiselos tong isa. Kung ito naman ang anuhin mo, magsiselos yung isa. So how? Ma'am, nanggigigil ako sa inyo. Mabuti pa to, mabait. Sorry. Ang baby ko talaga. Ay, naku, talaga. Ito ang baby ko. Ay, nahulog yung headband ko. Ito ang baby ko. Ang baby ko. Oo.